You her boyfriend?
What?
I'm on this girl's phone right now. She has you saved as 2-inch Timmy.
That's cool, bro. She's not my girl.
You're lying. She's definitely your girl. Bro's got a 2-incher.
It's 3 inches, actually. And she's not my girl.
She's blowing on my trombone right now. You're mad jealous right now.
Okay, cool.
Bro, my trombone's 8 inches. I know we're getting hella mad right now.
Not really.
Bro, you're gonna have to go back to putting holes in your Nutella jar. There's no way girls can even feel your little 2 inches.
Hey, man, you have fun.
Bro, why you not crashing out on me right now? I'm literally stuffing your girl's muffin.
If I was you, I'd run while you can.
What?
She's a tweaker. Straight up killer.
What do you mean she's a tweaker?
She's psycho. This one time she found a blind guy and stole his dog so he couldn't find his way home.
That ain't even that bad for real.
And then she tried to sell the dog as a designer breed on Craigslist.
Oh my god, she told me she unalived someone. Was she not joking?
No, bro, she's not joking. It was this one dude. She met at the club, she took him home, and he fell from her balcony.
Wait, I just met her at the club. I'm at her apartment right now. Her balcony door is wide open.
Yeah, you're cooked, bro. I was lucky to escape. I used to hit that a long time ago.
So you was her man?
Yeah, a long time ago. I had to break up with her. She was mad at me one night and drove straight to 7-Eleven, grabbed Panjeet from behind the counter and let him hit right there in the 7-Eleven. She got herpes from him.
Oh, that's what that feeling was. My burning!
Yeah, bro.
Hey Timmy, I'm coming over.
What happened to the dude?
His reboot card is on the floor.